What is up, YouTube? This is Zach of Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, this is for my professionals out there. You guys know that Dreamedia is growing at a very rapid rate throughout the entire country, and we have something called a preferred partner program, a Dreamedia preferred partner, and we have many preferred partners all around the country now, but we need more. So basically this video is just me asking for anybody out there that runs a business and they truly believe in 5-star service. I want you to reach out to our office and submit an application to be a preferred partner, because we really need quality people. We are selling products in new territories every single day. For example, like Virginia, we're just doing so much business over there and I have nobody. So, you know, and there's more than enough business to go around. We've seen with the preferred partners that we have now, their revenue has more than doubled since working with Dreamedia. So it's mutually beneficial. We all work together to provide industry-leading technology as well as that 5-star service that you hear me preach all the time. We will not allow a preferred partner to do a job that the client isn't happy in the end. It's really important to us that the partners that we bring on uphold that same level of service all the way through. So this is me reaching out and saying, hey, I would love to work with you guys. So if you're in a territory that we don't already have a preferred partner, I would love to add you to the list. As well as once my newborn infant gets a little bit bigger, I got a 7-week-old right now. Once he's a little bit older, I'm gonna start traveling more and flying out to these different territories and highlighting, doing videos of people's homes as well as interviews with our preferred partners, because in the last 6 months even, the preferred partner program has grown dramatically and just haven't had a chance to really give it shine. You know, we've just been locked up due to COVID. So I'm down here in D-Town right now, Dallas, Texas, our good old stomping grounds, recording some installs that have been put in these last couple months. So you guys are gonna have to subscribe to the channel down below so you can see those whenever they're published. I'm really excited to give you guys some inspiration. All right, and if you are a client that's watching this video and you'd like to purchase anything for your home theater, give us a call and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed on all the products we sell. So it's a win-win. And we also offer a free design service. And then we got the partner program, which is what this video is about. So all of our partners are gonna give that 5-star service to you guys. It's just good business and we're gonna keep on growing. All right, guys, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.